Center for Interdisciplinary Research has been started in this university from 2006 onwards. The basic objective of this center was to do the research on medical science, but using the different types of nanomaterials and their usefulness in the biomedical fields like cancer, tissue engineering, diabetes and so on. In the center at presently we have about 60 Ph.D. students working on different aspects of basic sciences as well as their applications in the biomedical applications. At the same time, we have completed about 9 research projects worth of ₹6 crores, which were funded from different funding agencies like DST, DRDO, CSIR, BRNS, etc. We have also having about 6 research projects worth of ₹4 crores from the different funding agencies. At the same time, in the center we have different departments. We have the stem cell and regenerative medicine department and the medical physics department. The medical physics department is recognized by the ARBB and it is approved by the BARC.
Patil Education Society, Kolhapur offers 2 unique special courses on M.Sc in Stem Cell and Regenerative Medicine and M.Sc in Medical Biotechnology for you students of Biotechnology and Life Science streams. We are the only university in Maharashtra to have this specialized course on M.Sc in Stem Cell and Regenerative Medicine. It's an interdisciplinary program involving various life science streams such as cell biology, molecular biology, developmental biology, biochemistry, tissue engineering, nanomedicine, with a very special focus and emphasis on embryonic stem cells, adult stem cells, applications of stem cells in various regenerative medicine and implications in stem cell therapeutics. To expose the students to various activities for the future prospects, we have also arranged a lot of industrial visits, guest lectures, workshops to enhance their career pathway. Our department is engaged with continuous research and teaching facilities which are highly innovative and interesting. We have different specific laboratories with state-of-art facilities such as tissue culture laboratory, we have a developmental biology or embryology lab, we have a molecular biology lab or a molecular division, we also have a tissue engineering laboratory for tissue engineering purposes, and we also have a subject of bioinformatics where we teach them different bioinformatics softwares for gene sequencing and gene applications. We have a judicious mixture of faculties from various industries, research exposures and academic keenness that has recognized them in various national as well as international platforms for their academic credentials. When it comes to research, every single faculty has an intramural project, research projects. Amidst this, each faculty has external funding projects funded by various government agencies such as DBT, DST, SCRB and so on. The students of MSc program of Stem Cell and Regenerative Medicine and Medical Biotechnology have an enormous opportunity. Once they have completed their course, they get placed into various industries and research laboratories, academic institutions and so on. Apart from this, we also have an exclusive placement cell where we facilitate the placement of the students after completion of their course in different industries, research laboratories, academic institution. Apart from those master programs, we also offer a very unique course on postgraduate diploma Stem Cell and Regenerative Medicine. This is a part-time weekend course for those whose students are aspiring to enter into the field of stem cells, wherein at present they are engaged in some PG programs or working people who needs to get into the stem cell field. So this postgraduate diploma course is a 1-year program, it's a part-time and weekend program. Contact us for registering under this course. For budding researchers, within the curriculum, we prepare the students to clear their NET, SET and other competitive examinations.